Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Mizoram and Rajasthan will go to polls on different days from November 7th to 30th. The Election Commission of India said that the votes will be counted for the 5 states on December 3rd. This will set the stage for the 2024 Lok Sabha polls semi-finals. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar said that nearly 16 crore voters would be eligible to cast their votes in these elections. Madhya Pradesh. Congress has also released the list of 40 big faces, that is star campaigners, for the Madhya Pradesh Assembly elections. These star campaigners include the names of former Chief Minister Kamal Nath, Digvijay Singh, Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, KC Venugopal, Ashok Gehlot, Sachin Pilot. It is noteworthy that the name of Kamal Nath's son, Nakul Nath, is in this list, but the name of Digvijay Singh's son, Jayavardhan Singh, is not included in the list of star campaigners. Apart from this, Congress has also fielded Kantilal Bhuria, Bhupesh Baghel, Jitu Patwari, Kanhaiya Kumar, Arif Masood for campaigning. Telangana. In a major boost to Telangana Congress ahead of the assembly election, several politicians from BJP, including former MP and ex-MLA Komati Reddy Rajgopal Reddy and BRS, joined the party in the presence of AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge in New Delhi on Friday. Besides Rajgopal and ex-MLC Kapilavai Dilip Kumar of BJP, BRS politicians who joined Congress are former Minister Motkupalli Narasimhulu, former MLA Enugu Ravinder Reddy, former MLCs Nethi Vidyasagar Santosh Kumar and Akula Lalita and Neelam Madhu. Mizoram. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has cancelled his planned campaign trip to Mamit in poll-bound Mizoram on October 30th, a senior BJP leader said on Saturday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will fill in for Modi, but his date of campaigning is yet to be decided, State BJP media convener Johnny Lalthanpuia informed. Lalthanpuia, however, did not cite any reason for the cancellation of Modi's visit. Another senior BJP leader and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari is likely to campaign in the northeastern state on Monday for the November 7th Assembly elections, Lalthanpuia said. Chhattisgarh. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Saturday promised free education in government schools and colleges in Chhattisgarh and Rs 4,000 a year for tender leaves collectors if his party retains power in the state. Addressing an election rally in the Bhanu Pratappur Assembly constituency in Kanker district, Gandhi asked if Prime Minister Narendra Modi brings up OBCs in his speeches, then why is he scared of a caste census? Caste census will be conducted in the country if the Congress is voted to power, he said. Bhanu Pratappur is among the 20 constituencies that will see polling on November 7th in the first phase of Chhattisgarh elections. The second phase will be held on November 17th. Rajasthan. In a response that reflects Congress's unwavering stance in the face of recent developments, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge criticized the central government for the ED raids in poll-bound Rajasthan. These raids targeted key Congress figures in the state, with the ED conducting searches at the residences of State Congress President Govind Singh Dotsara in Jaipur and Sikar. Additionally, coaching centre allegedly linked to Dotsara was also searched. According to the political drama, the ED summoned Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's son, Vaibhav Gehlot, for questioning in a case related to the Foreign Exchange Management Act. Mallikarjun Kharge made it clear that the Congress party would not be intimidated by these actions.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.